Okay, so just number 7 and 33. Number 7 says in 2005 there were 13,300 students at College A. 13,300 with a projected enrollment increase of 1,000. So we're adding on 1,000 per year. In the same year, there were 26,800 at College B with a projected enrollment decline of, so we're losing 500 per year. According to these projections, when will the colleges have the same enrollment? So this is just a linear, set them equal to each other, and we'll solve by subtracting 13,300 over here and adding 500y over here. So we have 1,500y equals 13,500. Is that 13,300? Yeah. And then divide by 1,500. Y equals, your zeros will cancel. And then 135 divided by 15. We could do that without a calculator, but we're going to cheat. 9. So that's in 9 years. So this thing was at 2005 plus 9 years is the year 2014. What will the enrollment in each college be at that time? So after 9 years, and you just pick one of them, after 9 years, this 13,300 will have increased by 1,000 9 times. So that's an additional 9,000. 13,300 plus 9,000 is 22,300. And then in 33, we have a tree supported by a wire anchored in the ground. Let's see, let's find a little space for this one. So we have a tree. See how your drawing skills are. Anchored into the ground by a wire. There's your ground. Ground, wire. 15 feet from its base, so that's 15. And then it says that the wire is 4 feet longer than the height that it reaches on the tree. So if this is the height that it reaches on the tree, the wire is 4 feet longer than that, h plus 4. And then we're going to go ahead and find h by the Pythagorean theorem. You can always assume that a tree grows perpendicular to the ground. So 15 squared plus h squared equals h plus 4 squared. You get 225 plus h squared equals h squared plus 8h plus 16. Your h squareds cancel, which is nice, saving us from the quadratic. Subtract your 16 over 209 equals 8h. Divide by 8, divide by 8. 209 divided by 8 is 26.125. I'm hoping I didn't do anything wrong. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I did the wrong problem. I started reading 34. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Really quickly. Make sure I do the right number. 33. Sorry. A tree is supported by a wire anchored in the ground 5 feet from its base. The wire is 1 foot longer than the height. H plus 1 in h. Same idea. 5 squared plus h squared equals this squared, which is h squared plus 2h plus 1. That cancels. Subtract our 1 over. 25 minus 1 is 24 equals 2h, and h equals 12. So the question, find the length of the wire. Not the question. H is 12, which means the wire is 13.